Have you ever found yourself pondering the inner workings of a turbo engine? Well, today you're in for a treat as we delve into the intricate details of this automotive marvel. A turbo engine, or turbocharged engine, is not just a fancy term thrown around by car enthusiasts. It's a highly sophisticated piece of engineering that utilizes forced induction to increase an engine's efficiency and power output. So, what's going on under the hood? Picture a typical internal combustion engine. It runs on a mixture of air and fuel. The more air it gets, the more fuel it can burn, and the more power it can produce. But there's only so much air you can naturally draw into an engine, and that's where the turbocharger steps in. A turbocharger is essentially a pair of fans, known as the turbine and compressor, hooked up to a common shaft. The turbine sits in the exhaust stream and spins as the exhaust gases flow past it. This spinning motion is then transferred to the compressor, which is located on the intake side of the engine. As the compressor spins, it sucks in and compresses more air than the engine could naturally draw in on its own. This compressed air, or boost, is then forced into the engine, allowing it to burn more fuel and produce more power. Now, you might be wondering, what happens to the extra heat generated by compressing all this air? That's where the intercooler comes in. It cools down the compressed air before it enters the engine, making sure everything stays within a safe operating temperature. In essence, a turbo engine takes the waste energy from the exhaust to spin a turbine, which in turn spins a compressor, compresses the intake air, and delivers more power from the same size engine. All the while, an intercooler ensures things don't get too hot under the hood. In summary, a turbo engine is a masterclass in efficiency. It harnesses waste energy to power a compressor, increasing the engine's intake air and thus its power output. An intercooler maintains optimal temperatures, ensuring the engine runs smoothly. So, the next time you hear the word turbocharged, you'll know it's not just a buzzword. It's a testament to the ingenious engineering that enhances the power and efficiency of a car engine. Now, isn't that something to marvel at?